Welcome back everyone to the channel. Today we're gonna see how to make a Discord verification system. First thing, just launch the Discord app on your mobile device or web or desktop. Go to your server where you want to set up the verification system. Tap the server name at the top to open the server menu. Select Settings from the drop-down list. Now go to the Roles tab under Server Settings and tap Create Role. Name the role Verified and select a color. Under Permissions, enable necessary permissions like read messages, send messages, connect to voice. Then tap Save to confirm the role. Now tap the plus icon to create a new text channel. Name it Verification or something similar. Set the channel to public or private as per your preference, then tap Create. Now open a web browser and go to the MEE6 official website and log in with your Discord account. Click on the Add to Discord and select your server. Review the permissions and tap Authorize. Then complete the CAPTCHA to add the bot. Now go to the MEE6 dashboard and navigate to Plugins. Enable the Reaction Roles plugin by tapping Enable. Tap the Add Reaction Role and choose your verification channel. Write a verification message, then add a reaction emoji, then select Verified Role from the list, then tap Save. Now go to the verification channel and you should see the verification message. React to the message to check if it assigns the verified role. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.